In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate and configure AI search in your Lovable AI project in Chrome. This will be an enlightening session, especially if you're keen on boosting the search capabilities of your project. Let's dive right in and get started, shall we? First things first, you'll want to open Google Chrome and navigate to the Lovable AI platform, where you can access your specific project. It's important that you ensure everything is loaded correctly, as this will prevent any hiccups later down the line. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and details of your project. Having a clear understanding of your current setup will make the integration process smoother. Now you're going to want to find the Features or Integrations panel. This is the place where you can access a variety of tools that can enhance your project. Look around for any existing modules you might have and locate the AI search module or widget. This powerful tool is designed to improve how users interact with your project by providing insightful and accurate search capabilities. Once you've successfully located the AI search module, it's time to configure the search parameters. This step is essential because it sets the foundation for how your search will function. You'll have the option to define the data source. Think about where your data currently resides and select the most appropriate source. Along with that, decide on your indexing options. Proper indexing will determine the efficiency and accuracy of search results, so consider the needs of your users as you configure these parameters. With your AI search module configured to your liking, the next step is to integrate it within your project pages. Here, you'll carefully select which pages would benefit most from enhanced search capabilities, considering the user experience and ease of access. As you add this component to your pages, visualize how users will engage with the search tool and how it will complement the existing content and features. Finally, it's time to save your changes and preview your work. This step is crucial as it allows you to experience firsthand how the new AI search operates within your project. Carefully test the functionality, ensuring everything works seamlessly with no glitches or delays. Engage with it as if you were a user, trying various searches to see how well it performs. If necessary, make adjustments to refine the search experience further for your audience. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to integrating AI search into your Lovable AI project. With these steps, you're well equipped to enhance the search functionality, making navigation smoother and more intuitive for your users. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful as you continue to develop amazing projects.